Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you completed the question answer and new words meaning in the chapter The Scholar's Mother Tongue. So now we can continue with the textual activity. So here I have page number. My page number is 121. So say aloud: ask, bask, mask, task, scholar, school, scan, skim. So we say, I learned my lesson. Here, I learned means an action word. Learned means an action word. But a learned Pandit come to the court. Here is a describing word. So, two types of words are there: action words and describing words. Describing words already you learn. Next one is action word. Okay, we pronounce it as a learned, learned to rhyme with the created, weighted. Okay, so here the work is tick the words which end the sound id, id, id. Say each word aloud. So here I am giving the answers also. So you have to tick the correct words. First one: accepted, completed, find. Find is not answered, challenged, licked, irritated, cried, celebrated, failed, surprise, fried also correct answer. So next one is make a class dictionary with the words from the story. Try to find the suitable words from them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud, then make sentence with those words in your class dictionary. So you have to do only one thing. No need to write meaning in Hindi. You have to write the words in English and the sentence. Okay, first one is converse. They are conversing with the teacher. Then next one is tickle. Tickle. Do not tickle me. Next one, round. The sun has round shape. Sneeze. She sneezed the time. Surprise. His painting surprised everyone. Answer. He had no answer to my question. Celebrate. We celebrate every day. Describe. Describe it in your own words. Mask. I like the mask of hippopotamus. Here I am giving my words, so you have to write your own words and its meaning. So if it is difficulty, you feel it's difficulty, so you have to find out your own words and your own meaning also. You have to find out their meaning also. Okay. Next one, write all the words that show you are happy. For example, hooray, ha ha. Add more. So here I'm giving the answer. Yahoo, yippee, hooray. Anything you can write. Okay, next one, tick the right answer. I visited the Akbar court means you came there for a short time. The court of Akbar means you came there for short time. To imitate someone means to copy someone. Okay, next page. Look and fill in the columns. One has been done for you. So here, quiet, quietly given there. So add ly. Okay. So next one is fluent, fluently, anger, angrily, sad, sadly, fierce, fiercely, gentle, gently. Okay, it's very simple. And match the words in the column A and the column B. So here I am giving the answers. King, courtiers, teacher, student, doctor, patient, bus driver, passengers, lawyer, clients, mother, children. Next one, play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or an before it. Now say the sentence below using this. So you have to say which one is a, which one is an. Okay. So an alarm clock. So here's how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 boxes are there. So you have to find out which one is starting with a, which one is starting with an. So a rug, a pillow, a bed sheet, an alarm, an alarm clock, a wall clock, a wristwatch, an apple, an orange, a banana, an ice cream, a bow, an arrow, a ball, a bat, a doll, a waistcoat, a long coat, a raincoat, an umbrella. Okay, so you have to add that words before the, you have to add a or an before the word. Okay, so next page, there is a conversation. So Nina, can I have an apple please? Rahul, yes. Here you are. Then Jivika, can I have an orange too? No, sorry, you can't have that. So you can make more sentence using the words from the basket. Do you want a pillow? This is a printed bed sheet. Does he have an alarm clock? Wall clock is ticking. Do you have wristwatch? Can you eat 10 bananas? An ice cream man is coming. She has a bow and arrow. Does she play bat and ball? Would you like to play with the doll? I wear a waistcoat. Can you wear this long coat? What I need is raincoat. Is this umbrella strong? So you have to make more sentences by using the basket. Next one, let us share. That is no need to write. No, this is not compulsory. Next one, page number 125. The truth balloon. Suppose you are going on a camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the tags attached the hot air balloon. So many tags are there. So you have to find out which one is very urgent. So here I am taking water bottle, food packet, first aid kit, blankets, money. Next one, there is a crossword puzzle. So India is a country of many languages. Let us see if you know what the people state in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of the each answer has been filled in for you. So I am giving the answer also. So you have to fill the crossword puzzle. This language is spoken in Orissa, that is Oriya. It's spoken in Karnataka, Kannada. The people of Assam speak this language, Assamese. This language is used in Andhra Pradesh, Telugu. You can hear this spoken in Maharashtra, Marathi. Then down, the people of Kerala speak this language, Malayalam. This is our national language, Hindi. The language of Goan people, Konkani. This is spoken in Tamil Nadu, Tamil. It is widely spoken in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere. It's Urdu. Okay, so you have to complete that crossword puzzle. The answer I already given. So you have to complete, write down in each column. Okay, then send it to me. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.